Do it for the outtakes.
Always good for the outtakes.
What's up? Woo! That's how it's done, right there.
There was a song where I sing the wave. Ready? I sing again, singer. The bartenders are weird in here. We're wackos.
Like we always say, feed your instincts. Primal Eats.
You gotta try the sandwich! Woo!
Try it! You got to come get the sandwich. It's very good.
It's a delicious sandwich!
Hi, I'm Jim Counter. Primal Eats tonight.
The guy that did these ribs is really a good chef. I mean, good chef. He is so good. Yeah. I'm serious. I had his ribs last night, and I'm on a diet, right? I tried one rib. I ended up going home having 6 ribs. Dang, it's hard. It's hard to work on tempers with a guy like this around in the kitchen. Seriously, he's good.
I got a good team too, that always helps.
Shots, everybody.
Hi, I'm Logan Stewart from Primal Eats, and I'm totally pumped to try our new Oh, gosh.
I'm totally pumped.
Totally pumped. Pumped.
Sandwich.
Sandwich. Hot. Good. Sandwich. Good. Yeah, break it in half. Come on down today and make sure Bo has his mic on. Totally pumped to try our new Primal Philly sandwich. Here we go.
That was actually really good, except smile.
God, it's so hard. I'm so focused. It's not possible.
And our new delicacy on the menu is something. I suck at this.